guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, today in today's video I'm going to be covering lots of different topics, and from that I want to say the two main highlights are first the iPhone SE2 and the second is the AirPods 3. So guys, today's video is going to be very interesting. I have with me beautiful renders to show you regarding the iPhone SE2 and also the AirPods 3, and guys, today's video you will definitely love it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the number one topic is regarding the iPhone SE2. Well, iPhone SE2 is subjected to have the Apple's A13 Bionic chip with 3 gigs of RAM. Guys, they are not going to be including 4 gigs of RAM, but 3 gigs of RAM for an iPhone is more than sufficient for you for any of your high usage even. And guys, this iPhone has now, by everything Apple Pro and by Broking, these are the beautiful concepts which I can share with you. And guys, this really tells you like what Apple will go for. You all know the iPhone 11 now has a frosted camera lens and whole glass enclosure, and that's the same thing which everything Apple Pro and Broking together have developed with this iPhone SE2 concept. It's just an iPhone 8 type body but with the slight touch of the 2019 iPhone lineup. And guys, these concepts are very interesting and fabulous. And not just that guys, I want to say like the iPhone SE2 itself is beautiful device, and again like Minchico has predicted that its pricing is going to be somewhere from $350 to $399. Few sources confirm that its price is going to be $399, but it is going to be in this range. And now let me talk about the iPhone SE. Okay, like is this an upgrade? Well, the iPhone SE is more towards those people who are still using older iPhones such as the iPhone 6, the iPhone 6 Plus, the iPhone 6s, the iPhone 6s Plus. So for all this kind of people, this is going to be a big upgrade. And not just that, they are going to be keeping the Touch ID. So if you don't want the notch, the annoying notch, and you want a simple display, then definitely the iPhone SE2 is an upgrade for you. And guys, what Apple is taking the steps is pretty obvious, because with the iPhone SE also they have not put lot of engineering behind it. They have just taken parts from different iPhones and combined them together and made this iPhone, and that is the same condition we are looking at with this iPhone SE2. And guys, it's going to be simple like iPhone 8's chassis with the nice new touches of the 2019 iPhone lineup, and with the highest specifications with like from the A13 Bionic. Again guys, the A13 Bionic chip is one of the fastest chip on the planet, and if Apple will give it under $500, it's going to be incredible. And now let's talk about the AirPods. Well, AirPods 3 or the AirPods Pro, you can say it anything, but I have already made a video in which I discussed that they look more like a hairdryer. But again guys, the main purpose is going to be about noise cancellation, and Apple is also planning or taking its lot of efforts to put heart functions in this phone. Okay, your health. Okay, just take example like I don't know what they are going to be developing, but it is more highly from all of the sources it's confirmed that Apple is going to be putting health features in the AirPods. So like it might be like what is your hearing aid capacity or something like that, but they are definitely looking for more health efficiencies. And guys, that's definitely appreciated. And the main focus behind the AirPods 3 is going to be the noise cancellation. They are going to be noise cancellation earbuds. And guys, Apple's already, from iPhone 5, Apple is shipping those beautiful design earbuds with their box, and that is a beautiful design already. And if Apple want to take it a step further, they can definitely go for it. This design might be a little bit ugly, but if it will give the best audio and also the noise cancellation, everyone wants it. And again, this case is again looking like a pretty, and this is not at all small case, this is a little huge case, but again, if it's going to be doing its job pretty well, definitely everyone is going to be buying this. Now let me talk about its color variants. Okay, just like the 2019 iPhone lineup, this is expected to come in all 4 color variants, including white, matte black, and matte green and matte gold. So these are the colors which are predicted. Again, we don't really know what Apple is going for, but again, if they will go for this, it is great. And I would just say like these are the only 2 things which are interesting. Okay, like there are all other news like Apple is going to be working behind a nice micro LED display, which they are already working with the Apple's XDR display, but again they are going to be implementing it in an iPad. Again, like there's also one leak that iPad Pro, this iPad O which is coming, is going to be having a beautiful like the same camera array which you find with the latest iPhones. So just triple camera in iPad, that's going to be incredible. But my personal preference is okay, like if iPad's camera is going to be so big, then why people will go for the iPhone? So it's definitely they will put dual cameras according to me, but again the sources claim that Apple is going for a triple lens camera system. And guys, I think that wraps it up for today's video. Okay, like I'm totally excited for the iPhone SE2 and AirPods 3. Again, these are the two main news which we have for this week, and hope you have liked today's video. If you want like this more beautiful news regarding from Apple ecosystem or tech world, you can definitely consider subscribing. So guys, if you have liked today's video, don't forget to like this video and also leave a comment that what are your thoughts and are you excited. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then,